Discover how to start shifting your perspective so that you can communicate better from the inside out without spending all your time on wellness or becoming a yogi, and you can still lead a normal life. I created this Pause and Respond mini guide as a first step on your communication reset journey. The idea is to help you become more mindful of the way you communicate with yourself and with others. It's a short guide, but that doesn't mean it's easy. Confronting what's going on inside of you can sometimes be the scariest and hardest part. That's where the self-compassion comes in. Believe me, I know how important this is because I've made all the mistakes myself. In my Communication Inside and Out program, I'm condensing my learnings from my literally decades of highs and lows into a handful of exercises and practices that you can repeat and fine-tune as needed. So stay tuned for your next step with my upcoming daily breathwork challenge.